So now let's look at this thing, flowchat. Are we seeing this flowchart? What we are going to be doing is we are going to be converting flowchart to pseudocode. That's what we are going to be doing now. We are going to be converting flowchart to pseudocode, and this is a flowchart. This thing. Now, how are we going to convert this flowchart to pseudocode? This is how we are going to do it. You know, I said it in the last VN. I said that when you're converting this thing, flowchart is a graphical representation of all those instruction, while pseudocode is just the written step-by-step way of solving your problem or something. I said something about that. So this now is a flowchart, is represented in a diagram. Now I want to convert this thing to a pseudocode. Now how are we going to do it? It's very simple. Just look at this. This is how we are going to do it. This is start. They gave us stats, right? So we are going to write stats. Now the next thing we are going to do is this thing, enter arrow. The same what everything that is inside here like this. That's what we are going to be writing out. So the process of writing it out, that is what we call pseudocode. But before we start it, I want you to see something. I want you to know something. So it said you use is in flowchart, while in pseudocode you use if. Now whenever you see is in flowchart, that is this diagram, whenever or wherever you want to draw a flowchart, wherever you see if, that is the written one, you input is in it, this whole place here. Now when it is in pseudocode, you use if. So where you see is here, like here now there's is here. So if we want to write it out, we are going to change the is to what? To if. Then also when it is in the decision box, that is this thing is the decision box. You know, this box we use it for whenever you want to ask question or something, we want to make a decision. This is how we are going to this is the shape or the symbol we are going to use. So whenever it is in this decision box, you use is, but in pseudocode it is if. So it's the same thing. So you should know that if is for yes. So whenever you see if, just know that is yes. That's in pseudocode. So but in flowchart is also yes. When you see yes, you see if you use if. Then this else is for no. So when you see no here, if you want to write it out, you instead of writing no, you put else. So for better understanding, let me show you.